Just to show you how it works, actually, I put it inside this transparent one. When you touch it, it shows the temperature for 2 seconds. It activates. It's actually boiling. We have also free coffee for you. The first one, I drink it to show you that it's not poisonous. I'm still alive. But from morning I'm caffeinated, so I think it's ready. It can be warmer, hot, uh, actually boiled, but you can see that it's boiling. It's hot. Not that much because it's actually 2 layers. So yeah, and help yourself with this one as well. Yeah, thank you very much for being here. Thank you for your comment.